friends. Welcome back to PGK Future Builders Universe. Today, we're with Ms. Santiago, my sister, Kelly, the kangaroo, and Fernando, the cat.
Hola, class! Let's get right to our first lesson.
Did you hear that? That means hello in Spanish.
Yes, class. That's right. Now, everyone say it with me. Hola. And again. Hola.
Great job!
Now, I'm going to ask you, what is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Did you hear that?
¿Cómo te llamas?
That means, what is your name? Share this. More lessons are coming for future builders.